Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. If you saw my thumbnail, you know that today we have two Lush boxes. Should I call it 1.5 Lush boxes? I got behind with my videos and I decided that this one could absolutely wait. The broken one on top is the one that I've had the longest. It looks completely driven over and I'm hoping, because I've had a couple look rough before from them, I'm hoping that just because it looks driven over doesn't mean that everything on the inside does. The bottom box looks pretty good. I honestly can't wait to get in here and see what I got. I think that I have May and June here. If you don't know about Lush Kitchen is done in the UK. They will ship to the US. It's pricey. I'm rounding, but it ends up being about 50 pounds, which by the time you shift that to US dollars, and then if like me, your credit card company charges you a couple of extra dollars, it ends up costing about $70 a month. Oh, I don't like to think about that. It means I'm holding $140 worth of bath products. Don't think about that, Kathrin. So here's hoping that my $70 in this first box is not, oh, it's even open. Ooh. Is not crushed. Oh my goodness, I don't even know how to get into this. It is so completely crushed. I am absolutely not sure where I should cut it. Oh my gosh. Okay, well, while I do, I will tell you, I have been thinking lately, because somebody mentioned it last month, and I thought, you know, that's not the worst idea. $70 is a pretty pricey box for 5 bath products. Do generally, if you like Lush products and you like them enough that you're willing to use what they send, you do generally get your money's worth. I think there's only been 1 month where I did not get my $70 worth, and I will try again with these to give you prices. But you're taking what they're giving you and you are paying top dollar for it. I don't mind that because I do like Lush, but I know that a lot of you might not want to do that. So somebody mentioned that perhaps I could take even less money, but about the same amount of money, and each month just place a Lush order. And then I would be showing you products you guys might actually be inclined to go to your mall and purchase or to order online for yourselves. So if you're here and you're watching this video, please take the time to let me know below. Would you prefer I keep showing the kitchen box, or would you like me at this point to just start doing Lush orders and show you some of the active Lush products, because they do new seasonal ones and that kind of thing that you might be more inclined to actually go out and purchase. So if you are here and you're watching this, please take the time to let me know below. It is open and its scent is absolutely heavenly. That is why I love Lush. We have some paperwork inside, not much, just that, and they give us basically the names and the ingredients. The party begins here. Lush Kitchen. It's our 2nd birthday and we're bringing the party to your bathroom. For an impromptu shower shindig, pour yourself a large helping of the glamorous cocktail Quit reading it. We're gonna spoil it all. Okay, and then is this stickers? Yep, we have stickers. Everybody has started sending us stickers. I do have a planner and I love to put things in it, but I should use more stickers. I generally pass them on to my grandkids. Let's just dig right into this one with soap and it seems fine, and see what we've got. This says Lush Kitchen, I imagine because it's their birthday, but look at the back. They've embedded happy faces into it. That is, I love that. Oh, it smells good. This is why they win me over. It just all smells so good. It smells citrusy and lemony. It smells a little different. This side is more yellow and this side is more orange. And I think they smell a little different. Let's see what the book tells us the name is. This is Happy Soap, which would explain the nice happy faces on the back. And I will hit the highlights with the products for you. It is water, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, Brazilian orange oil, tangerine oil. Keep reading, keep reading. Yay, no grapefruit. It's always, and then there's that risk. You know, I'm not allergic to much, but grapefruit and licorice root seem to be in so much these days. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So yeah, this is just citrusy loveliness. This is gonna be so awesome in the shower for in the mornings. Love it. And I don't know if you guys can tell, it's got some shine to it. Okay, love that. All right, next out I have, I'm not sure what this is. And at some level I want to I want to kind of withhold commentary. That's what it looks like. It's pink and it's kind of soft. Let's see what it smells like. Oh, it's nice. It smells kind of like baby powder. So this says, it says happy birthday on the front, but it doesn't tell us what it is. So let's see. This is the happy birthday bubble bar. And it is sodium bicarb, cream of tartar. It has sodium lauryl sulfate in it. It has bergamot oil, almond oil, vanilla absolute, gardenia. Yay, another one I can use. It is, I love the scent of it. And with bubble bars, all you have to do is, and I love that this one, you could technically quarter it. I would never quarter it because I want way more bubbles than that. But you could easily break this one in half and you just crumble it under the bath and you get loads of bubbles. And generally the products that they use leave you, they make your water soft, they leave you so soft. That smells good. Like baby powder to me. I know, I said gardenia and vanilla and bergamot, but it smells like baby powder to me. Next out, we have the Kitchen Shower Gel exclusive cocktail. And that is what that looks like. This is one of the smaller ones, the 100 grams. And this was made by Scott. They tell you, isn't that cute? They tell you who made it, when they made it, and when it expired. All right, guys, I don't know how to not panic about this. I'm gonna keep looking up. And when you see me do it, not to worry. I just made this whole video and I went to turn off my camera and it was already off. So we're back to Scott. I taped the rest of this box and my entire next box, so none of it is new to me. It is all fantastic, and I'm probably gonna move through it more quickly now because it's not gonna be a surprise to me, but still, I'm gonna show you everything and tell you what I thought the first time, but I never liked the idea of you guys thinking, oh look, she's opening it and it's brand new fresh. Nope, I already did this once. I hope it doesn't keep happening. I'm not sure why it happened. It's never happened before and I'm incredibly nervous. So let's go back. When last I left this video, we were talking about the cocktail. So again, that's what it looked like. Scott made it. He made it in April. And I was just going to tell you that the call out flavors are the ylang ylang, the Howood, Jasmine, Rose Absolute. So it's fantastic scents. And I'm just going to say this once now. I was surprised through the entirety of this. The next box, spoiler alert, is all citrus. There's no grapefruit or licorice in any of it. So I can use it all. And I'm super thrilled. I was so nervous about it turning itself off. Oh my gosh. So this smelled, yes, exactly like ylang ylang. I know it has the jasmine and the Howood in it, which I think Howood is to do with cinnamon. I'm not sure if that's the same as cinnamon. But yes, this is very nice. I'm reticent to point out that it happened again. However, I'm smiling. Because the reason that it kept happening was because my memory was full. And it was cutting itself off because my memory was full, so I've made the necessary deletions, and I am pretty sure we can go on now without that being a problem again. I am quite relieved because I was like, oh no, what if it's a bigger problem? So back to the next item we received in the May box. How cute is this? It is bath confetti. I've already opened it, so it's easy to open this time. I had to cut it open last time. And it is little tablets, and you just sprinkle them across your bath, and there's 4 in each color. I think they're all the same scent. They're separated by these little eco-friendly tabs, which I didn't mention this time. You can just get them wet, and then you have no environmental issues. So we have 4 in each of these colors. I think they all have the same scent. It's really lovely, kind of Pez-like, kind of candy-like. I like it a lot. I don't know if they all smell the same because they were tucked in this box, or as I suspect, they left the factory with the same scent, but I can't wait to sprinkle these in a bath. I don't know if you're intended to use them all at once or not, but I will probably use several. And they have citric acid popping candy, so they're gonna fizz really fun and maybe make noise. That's fun. Sweet wild orange, a lime oil. I'm just mostly telling you guys what I think the scents are based on, although this does not smell citrusy to me. The next box is all citrus and it's lovely. This one smells more like, you know, a Pez type candy. Next out, we had a Party On Shower Jelly. This is so much fun. It is bright green. I mean, I hope you can tell. It is just crazy bright green. You can use the whole thing. You can make it cold before you use it to wash your body with. That's what it looks like in here. And it readjusted, just for the record, it readjusted itself quite easily because I did this last time too. And when I put it back in, it wasn't completely flat, so it fixes itself. But it just wobbles like Jello. Is that not like lime Jello? And it smells so good. This has absolutely a citrusy, limey scent. It smells so good. I love that. So this is how I put it in last time too, and it absolutely just righted itself. So, well, the call out scents in this one are fresh rosemary, fresh mint, juniper berry, Persian lime oil, and menthol. In my opinion, I think whenever anything has menthol in it, I don't use it near you have more delicate parts that I would not use something with menthol near. Enough said. And last out of this box, we have the 29 High Street with Lush. And I hate that you're missing me originally open this, because when you open it, yes, still, I am so glad. When you open it and take your first whiff of it, it smells so much to me of the Terry Mugler, his angel scent. That is the very first thing that I thought of. And I said, well, you know what that means? I have to give this to my mom, because she has worn Terry Mugler Angel for years. And you know, sometimes you're just around the house and you don't necessarily want to be drenched in a perfume. This would be really nice to just hit the high points with, because it's just a solid perfume and you just get a little bit, you can see it made my hand just a little bit oily, and hit your pulse points with it. Absolutely, that's absolutely what it puts me in the mind of, is the Terry Mugler. So that is that. So this was the birthday box, and I guess because it was their birthday, we got an extra product, because generally we get 5 products from them. So in this box, we received the Cocktail Shower Gel. It smells wonderful, mostly like ylang ylang. The Party On Shower Jelly. That one has a real limey scent to it, like that one a lot. The Bath Confettis, which I think smells a lot like Pez. Love the scent. This gorgeous Happy Soap Bar. It just makes me happy, but it's very citrusy. And the 29 High Street, which makes me think of the Terry Mugler Angel, which I think personally, how would I describe that? I think kind of chocolatey. Is that weird? I don't know that that's how they would describe it, but it's kind of just sweet and gourmand. It has a gourmand scent to me. So that was box number 1. Now let me show you box number 2. Box number 2, we found out, is a box of citrus, and it is gorgeous. It's all bright and lovely citrus. The first thing we received is this Bright Side body lotion. That is what it looks like. It is nice and citrusy, very subtle. I have it on the back of this hand. It's just kind of orange. It reminds me of, I think it's Buck's Fizz, Buck's Fizz, yeah, I quit saying Buck, Kathrin. I think Buck's Fizz is what this looks like exactly. That is a creamsicle scent. This doesn't smell as creamsicle-y to me, although it does have a nice light citrus scent. And the call-out ingredients in this Bright Side body lotion is orange flower water, almond oil, fair trade organic coconut butter, organic jojoba oil, Sicilian red mandarin, tangerine oil, bergamot. As I read through these initially, the first time I unboxed this, every time I waited on tenterhooks trying to see if it was going to have grapefruit in it, because these are all loaded with citrus, and there was no grapefruit, and I am so happy. And I just realized that I left out of that first box our birthday, happy birthday bubble bar that smells very sweet and gorgeous. Let's just face it, this video has gone off the rails. I'm now taping it on my 3rd hunk of tape. Thanks for still being here. If you're still here, I appreciate you so much. Aloe Shower Smoothie. That is what that looks like. So we have 2 pots in this one, which is unusual. We don't usually have 2 pots. And this is 100 grams. And oh yeah, I love that. When you take it off, that is what it smells like. It has a very citrusy scent. I love it. This says it's packed with cooling aloe vera gel and moisture-rich oils. And it says it will boost your morning shower routine. And what you can do is just get in the shower. You can use it like a soap. It kind of comes off like that. You would just rub it on your body. It smells so good. You would just rub it on your body and rub it in with all the oils and everything in it. It's going to make you so soft, and you're going to smell so good, and you're going to be clean. It's just gorgeous. Its call-out ingredients are, of course, fair trade organic aloe gel, kaolin, rapeseed oil, coconut oil, and then it has Brazilian orange oil and Sicilian red mandarin oil. So it smells lovely. Next out, we have a bubble bar, and it looks just like one of those boop on MapQuest, like here's where you are or here's where you're going. That's what it looks like to me, except for obviously it's orange, not red. That is what it looks like. That smells so good. This one smells like you're opening an orange. It just has that, I'm opening an orange. This is what my hands smell like now. Just a fresh, true to orange scent. I like it a lot. There's just a hint at the back end of something a little musky. This says that it is called Wonder Woohoo. That's the name of the bubble bar. Wonder, like not wander, but wonder. And its call out scents are Brazilian orange oil and sandalwood oil. And it, just for the record, it does have sodium lauryl sulfate in it. but you can just break this in half and crumble it under the running water of your bath, and you will end up with bubbles, and your bath water will feel softer and it will make you softer. I love their bubble bars. Next out, we have Avo Wash, and you can tell this is ripped and open because I've already shown it to you, but I'll show it to you again. Oh my goodness. That's like anybody who makes videos, it's like your worst nightmare. You get to the end of a video, you go to turn it off and it's already off and you think, oh no. Oh, that smells good. I forgot what this smelled like. It's very citrusy, but slightly green, and it's like Play-Doh. You can just form it if you wanted to give it to a child to play with in the bath, because you can just wash with it. You can wash your body. They say you can wash your hair. I don't think I would do my hair with it. That's me. I can't imagine how you would break off a piece of this, but it does. It smells so good. The call out scent ingredient in this one is bergamot oil, and it smells so good. And last out, we have a shower gel. It's called Ochre, which is the color that I like my matte paint pot in, having nothing to do with anything. Just the only other time in my life I say ochre. Oh, it smells so good. It smells so much like that bubble bar. This is going to skip the line. I thought I was going to move to that cocktail next after the one that I'm using now, but this one's going right to the top of the line. And this one's call out scents are lemon myrtle oil, Brazilian orange oil, sandalwood oil, and gardenia extract. I don't smell the floral. I don't personally smell the floral of the gardenia at all. It does have something that's taking me back from an olfactory perspective. Makes me think about something in my childhood. I can't place it, but it smells really good. So this second box was a box of citrus, and we received the Ochre Shower Gel, the Aloe Shower Smoothie, the Bright Side Body Lotion. I love it when we get lots of pots in this. The Fun in Avo Wash. Fun is the name of the product. Avo Wash is its flavor. And then the Wonder Woohoo Bubble Bar. So this is, in theory, the June box. So let me know what you guys think. We had the May box and the June box. I like them very much. I will use every single product, but I get that a lot of people don't necessarily want to do the ordering from the UK because it does get pricey. You're taking a box and making it more expensive, mostly because of shipping, because technically the prices that they give us are the UK prices. And by the time you make them into American prices, which is what we would pay here, that's about what the box is costing me, because the pound and the euro are so much stronger than the dollar. I end up paying about $70 for this box. And if I purchased these products from Lush, they wouldn't be much less than that. Some boxes I have even been more than that. But I get that you might prefer to see products, seasonal items that they actually have in the Lush stores. So if you're watching this and you like Lush, I sure would love your opinion on whether you rather I continue these Lush kitchen boxes or whether I just do monthly or bi-monthly Lush purchases to show you things that you could go to the store or easily have shipped to you here. I get it. So let me know where you stand with that. Thank you so much for sticking with me through all of my camera issues with this video. I'm glad we got it worked out. I can't wait to see you again. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great day, guys. Bye.